Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create account on the Duolingo. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to search it for on the Google, and after that, as you can see, as an option for the world's best way to learn language. So let's click on this. We need to open the link, and after opening the link, as you can see, I've already have. Let's click on the get started. And now we need to choose that which language you want to learn. For example, I'm going to choose for the German. So let's click on the German. You need to choose that which language you want to learn, and you will be able to get options according to that. So let's click on the continue. So as you can see, now we have to choose how did you hear about. For example, I'm going to choose like the YouTube here, and let's click on the continue. We need to answer some of these questions via German. As you can see, now you need to choose the options according to your language. So I'm going to choose these options, and as you can see, now we have to choose these. For example, I'm going to click on the continue. Let's choose these and let's click on the continue. Let's click on the continue again. As you can see, start the test. We have to click on the start the test. So as you can see, now we need to answer these questions firstly, and after answering these questions your account will be created and the test will be passed. So in this way you can create your account on the Duolingo. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.